Hey, Suta shut down with Asante Buckman with his first release. Tonight is your night. Then came in with Tafri Bako. Everyone thought that was it, and then he dived in with Happy.
I'm gonna make you feel happy, not gonna make you.
Hey, now boys, most of the end. This one is for the streets. What's it? Sika. Bmusic Entertainment presents the Asante Buckman.
And then there was B Abola.
Wow, now what's the end? It was Saturday, 4th of November 2023. It was signature pub and lodge inside Bechem Junction, 8 p.m. till mommy calls you, and this show is free for everyone. Yeah, supporting artists for the night.
Kofio, Pajo Casti, Young Nas, and Kofi God.
The hype man for this show, Slim Biggie and DJ for the night. Media partners, Hello FM, High Radio, and Genesis Radio. This show is powered by Bmusic Entertainment.